In just 25 years, we've gone from asking, "What is the internet?" to building digital empires. AI isn't just a tool, it is the great equalizer. The barrier to entry didn't just lower, it evaporated. The old way, a war of attrition. Manual research took weeks, but today, we operate with the speed of light. We don't just work harder, we work smarter by automating the mundane so we can master the creative. To stay ahead of the curve, you need an ecosystem. Use Gemini for the brain and Canva for the face. Use HeyGen to build trust 24/7 and AI bots to close sales while you sleep. If you aren't using these, you're invisible. In the 20th century, capital was king. In the 21st, intelligence is the currency. Don't just watch the curve, be the curve.